Today, guys, I have a crafty haul to share with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing that, please do stick around. A couple weeks ago, my husband and I went on vacation in the Dominican Republic. And here it is. I'm asking him, let's go and check out to see if they have a craft store. And he is so good. The traffic over there was horrendous, but we got through to our destination at the craft store. Parking was bad, so he parked outside and he patiently waited for me outside, and this store was huge. And I wanted to get a couple beads, and then I wanted to get some mini flowers, and so I wanted to go and see what they had. They look all those yarns that they had. Oh my goodness, I was in heaven. And the flowers that they had, the little mini flowers, oh, I pick up a few, but they had a wide selection of flowers. So let me go ahead and share with you guys what I got on my trip. Not only that, I got a couple stamp blocks from eBay, and I think I got one off of Facebook. So I'll share those with you too as well. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and welcome everyone. So let's jump into what I have to share with you today. So these are a couple beads that I got, and these were relatively inexpensive. I think I got maybe one pack maybe for $1.07. I think they were 60 pesos. So I guess it depends on the conversion rate at the time. So I got some in a cream color and then some in white, and these have holes in it. I got these here to design or decorate my stick pins. And I think when I had gotten some from Joann's, I forgot how much I paid for those. I want to say I maybe paid maybe 4 and change or 3 and change. Yeah, these I had gotten from Joann's. I think I got those, yeah, $3.99 for those. Then these are a couple little flowers that I got. And you could cut these off and add to your crafting project. And I just love the colors on these. Aren't those beautiful? Then I got these flowers. Aren't those nice for you girls or guys who like the vintage look or shabby chic look? I think those are beautiful. Then look at these flowers right here. Look at the inside of those flowers. I just love those. They had a nice selection of those tiny flowers. Then I got a couple of the buttons. I got some red buttons, and these have 4 holes in it, and it's just your basic buttons. And these probably were I think the hair is priced 25 pesos. I think maybe that's probably less than 50 cents, I want to say. I got some pink one. These has the 2 holes in it. That one was 35 pesos. And look at this green one. It has some dimension to the top of it too as well. Let's see if we could get that glare off of there. That was 50 pesos. And let me see how many buttons in here. 3, that's 6, that's 9. Probably 12 buttons in here. And look at this peach one. And that's like an oval shape, and you got 4 holes in that. That one was 40 pesos. And then the yellow. I'm just loving yellow. And you got 4 holes in that one, and that one was 45 pesos. And then I got these gold little spacer beads. Again, this was to decorate my stick pins and whatever I decide to use it for later on. That one was 75 pesos. Then look at these beautiful flowers. These were 70 pesos. And look at those. Aren't those beautiful? I think I got 6 in this pack. Then I got a couple pieces of the square foam pads. These were like 15 peso, and I think they were discounted too as well. So I got the white and brown. And then I got a couple erasers. Been longing to get these erasers, and these erasers I got off of eBay. Came two in a pack, and these are to erase the inks. I have the ones that you erase the glue, but I never did get the one that erased the inks. So these are the ones here that erases the glue, and then this one here erase like the inks. If you get like little smears of ink when you're stamping, I always meant to get some of those, so I got those, and that's from Amazon. Those are from Amazon. Then I'm going to share with you now the wooden rubber stamp blocks that I got off of eBay. Look at this cute little one here. This is from Stamping Up. This was in 2000. I'm sure these pieces come in set, but people sell them individually. And isn't that cute? These little two bears on top of a trunk and a quilt. She has like a little heart, or he has a little heart in his hand, and you have that little pot of flowers there. And I think that is so cute, and it's fair. It looks new to me. So I got that. Then I got this piece right here. It's a basket full of sewing notions. And this one here is by PSX. And I didn't realize it was so small. So when you're buying your stamps, your real sale stamps, just inquire about the size if it's not in the description box. And I just love this piece right here. So it's small, but you could create little tags with this. You could still create your cards with this too as well. But that would be nice for creating your tags, some gift tags, especially if the person likes to sew. Then look at this little one right here, this gingerbread guy. These will be so cute to create and put on your tags, or you could stamp it to the back of your cards. And I just love the little blocks that's already colored. Not only you stamp with it, but you use it as decorative pieces in your craft room. Isn't that cute? And then the seller sent me this, I guess this is just an additional one. But this stamp right here is from, let's see. This is from Stampede. And then she sent this little stamp right here. Is just a ladybug stamp. She sent that in addition to this. So that was a bonus she sent. So that was nice of her. Then I saw this kit right here. So if you're creating your recipe books, you could do your recipe books for this. If you're trading recipes, this would be nice. You could make a little recipe card. And then they had, this is by Stamping Up, and I got this off of eBay. And then this one right here, the sewing notions, I got it off of Facebook. And look at this thing from the Kitchen of Serves. And these look pretty new. I think she's listed as new. And this is by Stamping Up in 1996. So they have little dishes here that if you could label your recipe books pages, your recipe pages as you create them. This one, that one said main dishes. I guess they haven't cut them between here yet. This one says others. It has little jars. I don't know what's in those jars. It looks like it's fruits in those jars. Then you have this one here. It says appetizers and beverages. Then this one here says salads. A cute little basket with all kind of vegetables in there. Then you have these others here. This one here said bread, and you have the little muffins. And then look at this one here, guys. What do you guys see in that? Do you see what I see? It's a little ginger. It says desserts, and they have a little ginger guy in there. Oh, I just love this set. Can't wait to play with that one. And let's see what else I got. Let's just see if we could put this here. Put it where the glare isn't. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. So if you guys are new to my channel, you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. And this here, last but not least, look at this, is a gingerbread cookie recipe stamp. Isn't that beautiful? I see a lot of people with this stamp, and you could add this to your recipe book as well. If you make recipe books, this would be a nice little tag too as well. They have a little recipe on how to create the the gingerbread cookies. And then this one is also from PSX and is slightly used, but that is a gorgeous stamp, guys. So that is it for my little crafty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button down below. That would significantly help me here on YouTube with the YouTube algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. This is Claudette. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on my next video.